Hey, welcome to VRC Media. Well, let me get down to the straight. If your Facebook ads are not performing well and you're bringing out very junk leads, spending a lot of money on Facebook ads, and still you haven't found any solution, well, you came in the right place. Well, here's the harsh truth. It's not about the Facebook ads that are not working. It's all about your business system, which is failing. If you have a system which is focusing on majorly weak creatives, wrong targeting, and wrong sales follow-up system, that is something which is really not working for you. And the result, you have spent lakhs of rupees, but no ROS and thinking Facebook is really dead. But here's the good news. At VRC Media, we specialize bringing more ROS for the founders like you and the founders who are stuck within a very poor lead generation methods. Our approach is simple. We build scroll-stopping creatives for you. We build funnels for you. We build end-to-end systems which do not need any necessary follow-ups, which can scale up to lakhs and crores. This is where our clients have scaled their profitably ROS. So if this is something where you think that this might be useful for your businesses and help to scale your Facebook ad funnel system, then click the link below and book a call with us.